I'm still watching some pretty heavy rain working its way along the Treasure Coast into the Atlantic. Still, we're watching a few more spotty showers beginning to develop. So let's take a look at first that heavy rain that we do have along Fort Pierce, all moving off to the northeast, and it should be exiting pretty quickly. A few more showers, though, developing inland and also into Martin County. Those are all moving off to the northeast. So Port St. Lucie, get ready to see some more scattered to heavy rain. Nothing on the severe side at the moment. Of course, we can't rule out seeing a strong storm still developing. We will be on the lookout for that. I am watching a few more showers developing just along Lake Okeechobee, also in the same ocean off to the northeast, but much drier conditions from Hope Sound to Jupiter Farms, Palm Beach Gardens dodging the rain, even as far south as Boca Raton. The Palm Beaches have been quiet today, but also very hot and steamy. So at least with the rain, it cools us off for a brief period of time. Now we do have all of this energy in association with this front that's a slow mover to our north. You can see an area of low pressure there, bringing in a lot of that heavier rain along the Big Bend region of Florida, and all that warm air lifting from the south. That's one of the big reasons why we've seen this pretty much steady pattern of those very warm 80s. And actually today was the 9th day in a row where we've seen temperatures 80 degrees and above, and that trend will actually continue. So different story, as I mentioned, along the Treasure Coast, and as we are looking down towards the Palm Beaches, drier, just a few breaking clouds out there, and we are going to see pretty much quiet conditions for the next few hours if you live along West Palm Beach and down towards Boca Raton. 82 degrees, we have humidity, dew points running fairly high, a lot of moisture, making temperatures feel a little bit warmer than what they actually are, and that's what we're going to be dealing with even as we head throughout your evening hours. 83 degrees currently in Belle Glade, a little bit of that rain cold air for Okeechobee, 79, 75 in Port St. Lucie, Indiantown, you're at 74 degrees. Well, after midnight, we start to see rain chances increasing just a little bit there for the Palm Beaches, and that's why we do have the chance for some impact weather, some rain, and the potential to see some strong winds at times with some of these showers and even an isolated thunderstorm. Temperatures mainly in the 70s. So future track does still take a few more showers off towards the Treasure Coast, leaving some drier conditions along from Jupiter down to Boca Raton. By around 8 o'clock, Vero Beach, Port St. Lucie, still looking at some rain. And as soon as we get closer to midnight, we do see a dry period. But after midnight, after 2 o'clock in the morning, that's when we start to see a few more showers developing off to the west of Lake Okeechobee. Same motion off to the northeast, so that's going to bring a lot of this rain to the Treasure Coast, where we can't rule out seeing maybe a strong storm early in the morning hours. So that's why we want you to be prepared for tomorrow. We're calling this a first warning weather day, where we could see a strong storm overnight, especially along Okeechobee County and also into Indian River County. So that's around 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. And then we see some drier conditions. And that's that one break we're going to get, but there's another round for the afternoon. So marginal risk is still pretty much likely for West Palm Beach as far north as the Treasure Coast. We are going to see the slight risk, though, as I mentioned, for portions of Indian River County. So here's what we can expect. Some heavy downpours at times. You could see an isolated strong thunderstorm, winds over 40 miles per hour. Of course, the heavy rain that we could really use since it's been pretty dry, and we can't rule out seeing maybe just a spin up with some of these storms. So that's what we're going to be looking out for your Sunday with some of our major impacts. I don't think we're going to see much in the way of hail. So here's our system. It's going to bring in that warm air still by tomorrow morning into the afternoon hours. Look at the showers and storms popping up. I just showed you that not too long ago, but we're still going to see the chance for that very warm air in place and the chance for a few more showers even for Monday. So here's what we're looking at for tonight. Mostly cloudy conditions, temperatures mainly in the 70s. The chance for some storms will be well after 2 a.m. developing for inland communities first, pushing offshore. Sunset this evening, 6:12 p.m. Tomorrow, first warning weather day, we have temperatures in the mid 80s. If you're not seeing the rain, it's going to be hot and humid. If you do get the rain, it'll cool you off. But of course, we can't rule out seeing a strong thunderstorm or two. So Vanessa and I will be on the lookout for tomorrow all day. Beach and boating conditions, we could see a little bit of a chop out there because a lot of those storms that we're going to see will eventually end up out in the water. Upper 80s for Monday. We could see some record heat then. The record was actually set at 87 degrees. We're shooting for 88. And then we have the mid 80s still from Tuesday to Wednesday with another front giving us a chance for some rain. And then another front will be coming in by Friday, giving us a chance for the colder air to return. Look at that. It's going to feel nice to see the 40s after about 15 days with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Gianna?